Good morning, Jwing.
Good morning, Miss. How are you?
I'm fine, and how are you?
I'm also fine.
So, do you know that today we have a speaking test, right?
Yes, I know.
Okay, so I welcome you to the speaking practice session for English for young learners, okay? So the session is going to last for 2 to 3 minutes, and throughout this time, I'm going to give you a topic, and I would like you to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm fulfilled ready.
Okay, so let's get started. Can you talk us about your favorite hobby?
Yes, I can tell. My favorite hobby is playing.
And can you tell us how do you spend that time? What type of games do you play and what do you do at that time?
I love to play hide and seek because of I can hide here and there, so I love this game.
So do you play it with your friends or you play it with your siblings?
I played with my friends, cousin and sibling, all of them.
Okay, so it seems like you love to spend time with them, right?
Yes.
So apart from this, how do you usually spend your time?
Sometimes I try to draw in my notebook. I love to draw also.
So you love to draw as well?
Yeah.
So would you like to be a painter when you grow up?
No, I want to be a doctor.
You want to be a doctor?
Yeah.
And what type of doctor do you want to be?
I don't know.
So probably you have not decided yet, right?
Yeah.
But I wish you all the best. That is the end of our speaking practice session. I hope to see you again in our next lot.
Okay.
Bye.
Goodbye.